Hello friends, welcome to another video from programming tutorial channel. In this video I want to solve the question number 5.12, calculating the product of odd integers from 1 to 15. So let's start it. Int product equal to 1 for int x is equal to 3 comma x is less than or equal to 15 x plus plus. Now product is equals to product into x, and output is product. Now let's see the output. The equation is done from 1 to 15. Sorry, we may have some problem. Let's check what is the problem. Product is equals to 1. Here 1 into 10 is 1 into 10 is 1 into 3 is 3, and 3 is saved here. Now next time 3 is here. I think we are multiplying from 1 to 15, not the odd numbers. So let's here do it plus 2 x is x equal to plus equal to 2. Now it will product the odd numbers, it will multiply the odd numbers. So let's check it again. Now this is the answer of our questions. Thank you guys. Please subscribe the channel to get my next video.